Hello friends! Today, we're going to learn about something super important, staying clean and healthy. Keeping our bodies fresh helps us feel great. Let's go through some fun and easy ways to practice good hygiene every day. Ready? Let's go!
Brush, brush, up and down. Scrub those teeth all around. Morning, nighttime, don't forget. A healthy smile is the best one yet. Stay fresh, stay clean, every single day. Wash, brush, clip, keep the germs away. Healthy habits, nice and bright. Take care of yourself, you'll feel just right. Dough brush, brush, smooth and straight. Tangle-free and feeling great. Comb it nicely, style with care. Shiny hair is everywhere. Dough blash, splash, water's cool. Wash your face, it's the golden rule. Gentle circles, nice and slow. Now your skin is fresh, let's glow. You'll rub, rub, scrub the dub so. Then water, rinse that grub. 20 seconds, that's the way. Clean hands keep germs away. Drink, sip, sip, drink it up. Water fills my little cup. Healthy bodies need it too. Drink your water. 1, 2. Clip, clip, nice and neat. Shorter nails are clean and sweet. No more dirt, no more grime. Clip your nails, it's hygiene time. You'll splash, splash, water flow. Scrub your arms and clean your toes. Soap your belly, wash your hair. Rinse it off, fresh and fair. Stay fresh, stay clean, every single day. Wash, brush, clip, keep the germs away. Healthy habits, nice and bright. Take care of yourself, you'll feel just right.
Great job, friends! Let's go over what we learned. Brush your teeth, morning and night. Brush your hair, keep it smooth. Wash your face, stay fresh. Wash your hands, scrub away germs. Drink water, stay strong. Clip your nails, keep them clean. Take a shower, feel fresh every day. Now you're a hygiene superstar. Taking care of yourself helps you feel amazing, look great, and stay strong. See you next time for another fun learning adventure.